It's soybean harvest time, and Big Tractor Power is out in a Wisconsin field with a whole bunch of machinery harvesting soybeans. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the history of Caterpillar Lexion combines and their connection with Claas, and we'll talk a little bit about the machinery that you're seeing out in the field, which includes a Caterpillar Lexion 460 and 480 combine. Keeping these big machines rolling through the soybean harvest is a white 170 workhorse tractor with a Kilbros grain cart. Also, there's a Case IH Magnum 7220 tractor with a New Holland 460 roll belt crop cutter baler baling up soybean straw behind the Caterpillar Lexion 460 combine. I hope that you'll enjoy seeing all this big machinery moving in the field, harvesting the crops. And now let's talk a little bit about the history of Claas and Caterpillar combines. Claas first entered the North American combine market back in 1966, partnering with the Ford Motor Company to offer a full line of combines through the Ford Agricultural Division. Claas manufactured the Ford 640, 630, and 620 combine. The partnership between Claas and Ford continued through the 1970s, and the last Ford combine built by Claas was the Model 642, manufactured through 1979. Into the 1980s, Claas began branding its own combines in the United States, selling them through the Claas dealer network instead of Ford. Claas branded combine sales were rather limited in North America through the 1980s and into the 1990s. In 1997, Caterpillar announced a joint partnership with Claas to offer the Lexion brand of combines through the Caterpillar dealers in North America. Caterpillar wanted to expand its agricultural line beyond its Challenger tractors. In 1997, dealers were introduced to the Caterpillar Lexion 450, 460, 465, 460R, 470R, 475R, 480R, and 485R combines, and these machines were offered with wheels and track options. Caterpillar began introducing the 400 series line of combines in the fall of 1997 at farm shows across North America, with full production being offered for 1998. These initial Lexion combines sold through Caterpillar dealers were built in Germany by Claas at their combine manufacturing facility. And shortly after the introduction in the United States, Claas announced the location of a combine plant in North America in Omaha, Nebraska, where the Lexion combines would be manufactured for Caterpillar. In Europe, the Claas combines are sold in the traditional Claas green and white colors, and in North America, since that 1998 introduction, Claas has offered the Lexion combines in the Caterpillar yellow and black color scheme. Let's talk about the specifications of the Caterpillar Lexion 400 series combines that we see harvesting soybeans in this Wisconsin field. The first model is a Lexion 460. The 460 is unique in that it could be ordered as a walker machine or as a rotary machine. A walker machine uses a series of walkers that shake the grain out of the crop material, where a rotary machine uses a rotor to spin the material around to separate the grain, and Lexion uses a pair of two rotors or twin rotors to separate that grain. The way that the walker and rotary combine were identified is a walker machine is just a plain 460, and if it has a rotor inside, then it's a 460R. They have identical specifications in that it is powered by a Caterpillar 3126B engine rated at 290 horsepower with a power boost up to 305 horsepower in tough harvesting conditions. The combine has a 280 bushel grain bin and can unload grain from its auger at 2.7 bushels per second. The walker machine has 6 walkers in it, and the rotary machine, again, as mentioned before, has 2 rotors for separation. The second combine harvesting soybeans in this field is a Model 480. This was the largest combine offered in the 400 series of Caterpillar Lexion combines. Its specifications are actually very similar to the 460. The key difference is the engine size in the 480. It's powered by a Caterpillar C12 engine rated at 400 horsepower with a maximum power boost up to 431 horsepower for tough harvesting conditions. Otherwise, it's very similar to the 460 in that it has a 280 bushel grain bin and it can unload grain at 2.7 bushels per second. It was very interesting to find this pair of Caterpillar 400 series Lexion combines working in this Wisconsin soybean field. It was a great opportunity to see wheeled machines harvesting the soybeans, as a majority of the Lexion combines sold in North America have been sold with tracks. And the track models in the 400 series would have a 5 on the model number. For example, a track machine might be a 465, a 475, or a 485. So it was pretty neat to see this 460 and 480 with dual wheels. Lexion has been offered as a combine name in North America for 20 years now, and during that time period there has been a lot of changes. The 400 series was upgraded to the 500 series, and during that time period Caterpillar decided to exit the agricultural market, and in 2001 sold its Challenger tractor line to the AGCO Corporation, and Claas decided to continue to offer the Lexion combine in North America, built in Omaha, Nebraska, using that traditional yellow and black color paint scheme. And the 500 series phased out the Caterpillar name and began using Claas, and then the 700 series was introduced, and there's been several variations of the Claas Lexion 700 series over the years. So I hope that you have found this history of Lexion combines interesting in North America, and it was very exciting to be able to share these early 400 series models with you. If you would like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you are already a subscriber, thank you, and make sure to check the Big Tractor Power YouTube homepage often, as new videos are posted every 2 to 3 days. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below, as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming to Big Tractor Power YouTube next, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.